Hello everybody, this is Carter Cartoons, and this is a tour of my old sketchbook that I had back during my drawing classes in 2017 when I was a senior in high school. And we're going to turn to the first page, and of course is Crab with an armor of God. Yep. And this is a picture of a peregrine falcon, one of my favorite birds, because it's so fast, and I really like fast animals, as seen in those cheetah videos that I did. And this is a perspective drawing of models that I did in drawing class. And it looks pretty nice, one of my better drawings. And this is another perspective drawing of a sneaker that I did back in drawing class. Nike shoe. And this is an oil painting that I did of a jar. Yep, very interesting. And of course, this is another perspective drawing I did drawing class. I had a really good teacher during my drawing classes. And of course, these are my characters. Of course. Well, I haven't introduced these characters yet, but I'll see it for later. And this is Luna right here. This is Kendrew. The Peregrine Falcon again. And that's CR4, and that's RR2. And this is Super Sci-Fi. And for those of you who are familiar with my channel, I drew Super Sci-Fi as a comic first, and then I edited it into a video. I drew all my Super Sci-Fi comics in this sketchbook. Well, except for one, which I'll probably introduce to you in the future. And of course, these are more bird characters. And this is Falcon Force comic that I didn't finish. Maybe I should make a video of this or not. I'm not sure, but I'm not finished with it. And of course, this is Figgy the Swirl. These are the dragon characters. It is Super Sci-Fi 2. There's Mr. Tom. To be continued. And this is we'll try to see that on Instagram. Post on Instagram. And this is a dragon turtle with a volcano on his back. And these are dragon characters. But unlike the other comic, I actually finished this one. If you guys want to see a video of this type of comic as an animation, you should post it in the comment section below. Continued. Yeah, it's monkey character. There's another warrior robot character. Kind of looks like CR4 or Chris. There's a dinosaur. I love drawing dinosaurs. It's a picture of a jet. This is Luna with Kendrew again. These are more robot characters. There's a shark. And here's Super Sci-Fi 3. Yep, and that's it. My old sketchbook back in 2017.